Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have a battle between two of the biggest bowling YouTube channels, myself and Mrs. I'm So Good, against the house's very own Packy and Kevin.
Let's get them.
They got that dog, but we're gonna tame those dogs. Part one's gonna be on our channel here. Part two is gonna be on the house channel. So make sure you watch them both. Enjoy the show.
Hey, losers. Good luck.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Hey, what's the stakes
Good luck.
here?
A hostile.
What's the stakes
Good luck.
here? What's the stakes here?
Yeah, what are the stakes? Are the stakes?
Is it steaks?
I was thinking the same thing.
Steaks or steak?
I think the steaks are steak.
All right, steaks for steak.
I'd rather have sushi.
You should go first.
Pack, I'm going first.
Okay.
2 game total?
2 game total?
No tap, regular tap?
No.
No tap, no tap?
Oh, no.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Give it to him. Give it to him. We here.
Just like this pattern, I like my steaks medium because I think this is kind of like a medium length pattern.
Easy, easy.
Oh my God!
No tap.
No tap.
Change that thing.
Same time?
Same time?
3, 2, 1.
What an idiot!
Damn it! I thought I would get him like that. That's it.
I'll be honest,
Even.
that looked so weird not
Even,
seeing you
even.
do it like that.
This is a re-rack right here.
Wow, you're re-racking?
Oh. Here we go.
Nice.
We needed a re-rack too.
I was missing an 8-pin, I think.
Yeah, there was no 8-pin.
I saw them all. Oh. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh. Oh, a real one.
No,
Great spare.
Oh my god.
he saw the celebration and he took his high five right back.
And then I took that personally.
That's all right, bro.
I took that
all
personally.
right.
Oh
Oh, he
no!
crammed on it.
They might shoot 300. Yes, sir.
What if we do shoot at 300?
Then that's great content.
This lane hooks.
You hit the blue spot that was right in between. It's
I thought that shot was aced. If you look, this lane does
a little funny.
does hook a little more.
A little fun. Oh, strap.
Wow.
That was nasty.
We're getting whooped so far. We're getting whooped.
It's a good thing it's 2 game totals.
It's a great thing. No.
It's just the left. It's just the left lane. It hooks a little
What's
bit.
wrong with it? It hooks
Hooks a
more?
little bit.
Yep, lane grab.
There's like a lot of hook in the middle, and then there's a hook left out where you hit.
Okay.
You hit like that, like outside of 5 range, and that's where it hooks left. Push hook.
Ooh, that's B.
You asked for a good shot. I
I
gave
want
you a
huge
good
one.
shot.
That's
Oh,
wide
needs a little
right.
help. Just like the Masters.
Just perfect.
These are
Just
walls.
perfect.
I missed that by like
Just
5
perfect. Don't
boards.
tell them that.
No, you missed it perfectly, right where you wanted to. Oh, he posted it. Oh,
Fireball,
shot,
fireball,
Patrick.
fireball.
I thought that was the 10th.
great shot.
I was kind of excited. Patrick Hanrahan, you and your.
Dude, we're
They
getting
call me.
walked.
They call me PJ, Packy Jr.
The right is walled.
They did. Push.
I moved. It's okay, I moved.
That was big.
Big
I don't think you
adjustment.
understand. That was huge.
Big adjustment.
All right, Jana, good luck here.
Very nice. He didn't believe in your shot.
Yeah, I know.
This is a
Scream push.
This is a re-rack, but Darren's not going to give it to you. All right.
She's bowling team trials next year.
Really?
No chocolate.
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
They're going to shoot. Kevin.
What an
they're gonna-
actual
They're going to shoot
8-bagger.
300 at us.
That was a her size snap out of the
They're gonna
10.
shoot-
Just little baby snap out.
They're gonna shoot 300 at us.
They're gonna shoot their hand at
They're
us.
gonna shoot 300 at us.
Hey, let's give them our best effort though.
Oh,
Too much.
you're up.
I am?
Yeah.
Come on! Hey, just keep it respectable.
We just gotta stay close.
Stay within
We
40.
just gotta give ourselves a chance.
Stay within 40.
We're bowling 600.
Wow.
I haven't bowled on this one.
Just throw it the same. Yeah. Wow, this guy's really loud.
Is this so loud on the mics or what?
We're about to do something really cool, and this guy's just, come on now. It's good enough. It's good enough.
This is just like a legit, really low bowl game by then.
Come on,
You
babe.
should bowl league here. You average 250.
Need it!
All right, Darren,
We just
make a
keep
good
it
shot, but not a
respectable.
great shot.
Nice shot.
A
Nice
good
Keep it
shot, but not a
respectable.
great shot.
They're about to witness the greatest comeback in history.
They talk about this comeback.
They're gonna
Come on,
talk
let's
about
go.
this
Talk
comeback.
about it. Oh, he crammed on it.
No!
We gotta give it to
It's nothing but love and strikes out here. Wow. I've been inspired.
All I thought was, hit this one.
Steak.
Great shot, teammate.
For the steak.
It's
Let's
not
go.
done yet, guys. It's
Let's
two
go.
game totals. What are
It's
you
2
talking
game
about?
total.
Let's go. One
It's
time.
2 game totals.
One time. We got 43 pins.
Y'all don't got
abilities
steaks
to
yet?
go.
Take it easy with the cute stuff.
Now we got
Yeah,
it. Now
dude,
we
yeah.
got it.
Get
We
that
got
love
switch
out of here.
legs. Nothing but love.
Paxton,
But I'm
come
over
here.
here.
Come here, Pax.
Yeah.
Come here. Come on, Pax.
I didn't even say my phrase yet. But I'm
You're
pretty-
locked in.
I'm so good.
You're locked in.
Oh, it's
We
not
just
there.
bowled 300. We had a legit 11 bagger.
That's my first 300.
Hey,
We gotta regroup.
we need to regroup. We just got 300 bowled at us, and we simply just got to get in their heads early and play mind games.
Yeah, what do we gotta do? What are we gonna do?
We got to chirp from the get-go. First strike out the gate.
Run it at
just
'em.
Get in their face, run it out, slap it out. All the things that is necessary to come back from 43.
I feel like
'Cause
of
want
the
a
two of
steak.
them, Darren's the weak link. We
He's
gotta
the weak link?
We gotta target Darren.
let's
We gotta
let's
target
just
Darren.
completely target Darren and come for him. Let's go.
All right,
Let's go.
we'll get him.
She's so good. 300.